Jolie! Where are you, Jolie, huh? Come on, you little bitch! I need to see you. Scared me. I thought you were gone.
It's my house, Ava. What are you doing here?
Kristen's wedding.
You mean across town?
I cut out for a while. How many times can you say, you look great? Which, by the way, you actually do.
Thank you. Nice dress.
Shut up. I decided to go at the last minute. It was the only clean thing in my closet.
I was kidding.
Oh. I know.
You look good. Dress and all. Do you remember how this yard used to look? My dad really let it all go to hell.
It's not that bad. I'm really sorry about your mom. Kristen just told me.
Is that why you came?
No.
So why?
It was weird driving up here. It's like all the memories were just waiting in the trees.
Well, they'll do that.
I came to tell you how sorry I am about leaving you the way I did that summer. Look, it's no excuse, and it feels kind of ridiculous saying it now, but I had a lot going on, you know? My college, and my parents splitting, selling our house. I think I was just really overwhelmed by everything.
Everything, or the incident at the lake?
I wouldn't call it an incident.
Well, I was being kind.
Well, whatever you want to call it. I was half out of my mind that night. Do you remember how wasted we got?
Yeah, I remember.
Plus, we'd been up for 3 nights studying for finals. Thank God for no-dos. I just on them anyway.
I remember how you got sick from swimming and smoking stale resin out of your brother's pipe.
Why the hell are we swimming? It was freezing out there.
Well, we were gonna leave, and then you remembered you had that blanket in the back of your car.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so we stayed.
It got so cold up there.
And then you put your head in my lap and took my hands under the blanket to warm them up.
All right, Jolie. I know the rest of the story. I was there too, okay?
Oh, good. I was starting to doubt it.
I wouldn't be here if I didn't remember.
Took you long enough. It was brilliant. Really. Leave me waiting for you on prom night at the exact spot where everything started. It was magical.
Think I planned that?
You come up with some creative theories when you got that kind of time on your hands.
You're way off.
Well, who should I credit? Your friends? I really should have seen it coming.
Why would you?
Because you ignored me the entire night. Why should I think you're still gonna meet me?
Because it was my idea and I asked you to?
What, did you have your mom, like, waiting in the parking lot after graduation, too? You couldn't get out of here fast enough.
No.
Afraid I might stop you?
You stopped me. That's funny.
Why couldn't you just say goodbye? Really, that's all I wanted.
How could I? I couldn't say half the things that I wanted to say to you.
What things?
God, Julie, I answered your question,
No,
okay?
you didn't.
Why couldn't it just stay the way it started? Two friends having just the best time.
Well, maybe that's all it was.
And don't ask me all these questions and then turn around and say that. It was never that, and you know it.
10 points for the first honest thing you've said since you look
I was
great.
right to leave your ass on that rock. You're a total mind. You always were.
Oh, and you're not?
I was protecting myself.
From what?
What do you think?
So you leave?
Yes. Because what does that mean about me? What would I have had to give up to feel that way about you?
Well, what did you give up not to?
There were never any guarantees.
Guarantees? About me? About...
Whatever.
You didn't know?
How could I? Everything was so fragile and pseudo-casual.
So why didn't you just ask me?
Yeah, right.
No. Really. Why didn't you?
You know what's great about my fiancé, John?
No. What?
I never have to ask. Just sure all the time.
Well, then you got what you wanted.
Yeah, I guess I did. I always thought about you. You know. Always.
Yeah, sometimes I thought I felt you thinking about me.
So can I ask you one thing?
Yeah, Ava, I always did.
Figures.
Star-crossed was always part of our charm.
What are you thinking right now?
I wish the last time I saw you was in a stupid senior prom. Seems kind of lame.
Well, it's not. Anymore. This doesn't have to be. Hey, I just meant maybe I can come back.
Will you tell
some-
Kristen I said congratulations?
Okay.
Take care, Ava.
Jolie. You glad I came?
Yeah.
Me too.